Kublai pisa sinpat te hakene ka video kwamta ngan pentip shapi yaki khobor laikam kibala chapo west Khasi district Nongston DMHO District Medical and Health Officer Recruitment Arajar Arabsan pat kelapan mi hadu kat kendai teliki pos baper badia kini kipos papi aban apply kadai yaki kandidat kibala pendep yaka kelas 10 pass syajrong iyo ban apply ya kini kipos te lada dona pedang jongpi kibalong interest lane eligible ya kini kipos te sasngap ya kini ka video hadu bakut kenang mapin sautu syai bha ha kabayadai bat kini kipos na marja kini kipos piha ban apply offline day online for implementation of urban health and wellness center in West Khasi District. The Office of the District Medical and Health Officer Member Secretary DHS West Khasi District. Application are invited for filling up the following vacant posts on a contractual basis. Tiana kabanta ban pentrikam yaki urban health but wellness center kibadon hapo West Khasi District Noston teka office jongka District Medical and Health Officer Member Secretary DHS kalak hot sengba ban pendap ya kini kam kibalaj baca kini kipus kandai haka kontraktual basis teka tarik bakhado bakin pedang yaki application kandai hadu ka new tarik banai basau arajar absan tesak mau bahaka tarik kadai new tarik banai basau arajar absan tekipus kibalaj kidon halaki kijong teman tangin ya pejno yakini kipus panikong kertang jong kipus kadai medical and health officer MBBS number of post likely nang taka place of posting ane kejaka bantrai kandai hapo nong renyau sopian bat mau lendap badan hapo West Khasi District Nongston nang taka age limit pat ketkum kasnem balabu ka Sorkar Jela Meghalaya kajing seu lane katulap kadai untuk wajar haka sibenai teka qualification ya kedi pos kadai kibala pendep ya ka MBBS degree kiyo ban apply kapos baar staff nurse kipos balaj arteli kejaka bantrai kadai nong renyau sopian was kasihil nongston kasnem ya kedi kipos ketkum balabu ka Jela Meghalaya kajing seu kadai arpo wajar haka sibenai nang taka qualification pat BSc nursing or GNM general nursing from recognized medical institution pide mempendep ya ka BSc nursing bat pide ruban register hapo ka Meghalaya nursing council kepus balai ANM kipus balaj lightly kajaka bantrai kandai hapo nong renyau sopian bat maulendep katulap kadai kanyajar sanspa haka sibenai ka qualification 2 years diploma certificate course in auxiliary nurse and midwife pide pendep ya ka diploma course jong ka auxiliary nurse bat midwife bat pide ruban register hapo ka Jela Meghalaya kapus basau helper DEO kipus balaj sauteli kajaka bantrai kadai sopian nong renyau bat maulendap kasnem kadai kumju katulap lane kajeng seu kadai kadar hajar haka sibenai nang taka essential qualification pat class 12 pass with diploma certificate in computer application pide mempendep ya ka kelas 12 bat ka diploma certificate haka computer application kapus basan cleaning staff number of post likely kajaka bantrai kadai nong renyau sopian bat mau lendap penangrai kasnem kadai ketkum pelabu ka Sorkar Jela Meghalaya Ka salary lane ka tulap kadai kanajar kna ispa andu tangka ka shibanai. Nang tak essential qualification pidai ban pandep ya ka question lane ka swab hiyo ban apply. Nang tak ka post ban reu guards number of post likely ka jaka ban tri kadai norniau sopian molendep bat penangrai West Kasihil District Noston. Kasnem kadai katkum balabu ka Surkar Jela Meghalaya. Ka qualification part kadai pidai ban pandep ya ka kelas 10 lane kelas 12 hiyo ban apply. Te kini kidai ki post baper laki jong ki post ki balak ki bakwa ban apply tesa apply no kam kulai ya kini ki post. Te kumno ban apply ya kini ki post. Te ya kini ki post part ban apply pi haban submit da ka standard form. Pidai ban pandap ya ki jikdot kam baro. Te ya ka standard form ngan sabu hapo ka description below. Bat pidai ruban ra ya ki dokumen ya ka kelas qualification bapi pandap. Bat ki dokumen pidai ban ra kenang ba kan kamsuk ya pi hakapor bapi submit. Bat pidai ruban lek submit hapo ka office jong ka district medical and health officer kabodon hapo noston. Hadu ka nyutrik banai basau arajar option. Hadu ka san baje janmit hakapor bapli ka office. Te hakabedai bat ka written test kin sapentip andalakut ka last date ban submit ya ki application. Batang ya ki shortlist candidate kin syakhot haka interview. Te hakabedai bat ka personal interview kin sapentip lengba ka SMS ban lej ka interview. Te kiba pas ka interview kumut kin sayo ya kam. Te kiba kwa ban apply te sa leno kam kulai. Te tang kini kicing petip hakabedai bagi ni post kublai sibun.